Hello and welcome back to Tolaris TV. I'm Rick Babick with Tolaris Homes. We're on this job that we've been for the last 3 weeks now, and the block is actually going up. You'll notice a gentleman walking around with a white hard hat on. He's got a laser in his hand, and every 2 to 3 courses of block, they'll shoot it and make sure everything is level and square, true, and plumb. The holes you'll see in the bottom of that block are actually inspector holes. If you look close, you'll see there's rebar, which originally was coming out of our footer through the slab, and now the block is being laid over it. It's kept open so the local county inspectors can take a look at it, and they'll make sure that once the walls are finished and our lintels getting ready to be poured, we'll put some rebar down from the top. They'll tie it together, wrap it together with some wire, and the inspector will make sure that every single one is connected. And eventually, concrete will be poured down from the top of the walls into those cells. You'll see in a couple of days we'll have some scrap wood put over those holes to hold the concrete in. But that's how it's built here in North Orlando. Cutting some of the metal, so we'll let you go at this point. Thanks for watching Tolaris TV. If you'd like us to build you a custom home, give us a call. We're always available, 407-402-9866. And thanks for watching Tolaris TV.